All right, we're at the Brighton Pavilion in the Grand Hotel. We got a wheelchair lift over here. Straight ahead is the pavilion, and to the right is the wheelchair elevator. It's right here. It's a Concord. Here's a look down there real quick. All right, now I'll let the door close. Another view before we go on up. There are the buttons. And there's the certificate. Let's go up to 2. Take my finger off the button, and it unlocks the door. I guess we can take a look at the pavilion real quick. This is the pavilion, and this is the elevator. Get one more view of it real quick. All right, we'll take one more ride up. Here we go. You guys can hear the bar above us. All right, let's go back down to 1. Takes a moment to start up before going down, but this thing is pretty fast for a wheelchair lift, so definitely one of the coolest ones I've been on. All right, and we'll exit. One more view, and there it goes. All right, and that was the wheelchair lift at the Brighton Pavilion.